For those of you who are watching this, it's raining cats and dogs.
Look at that. Not only did my mama not teach me to get in out of the rain, my mama's out in the rain with me.
Where is she?
Over there.
It is raining its butt off.
Yes, don't get enough rain in North Carolina.
Never forbid.
Folks, this was we've actually had a break in the rain, but for the last 3 weeks it has been pouring down here. Not quite. This is light compared to what we were getting. So
Yeah, it is.
yeah, this is kind of like what we were getting now. Here it comes. Let me take a look. What?
That's soap.
Are you coming in out of the rain over there, Jim? Get in there. None of your wet.
They said it was raining cats and dogs, and I thought,
Yeah, I'm not getting wet at all. Hey, look, we got a ceiling fan. Eating dinner in the rain. Boy, it's coming down. This is what we're looking at. There's my tarp that's going to my camper. Rudder running down, coming right off the side. Doors staying nice and dry. I'm staying nice and dry. That's going up over to the gazebo. And then this gazebo is hooked to another gazebo with zip ties and Velcro. And it's basically keeping us reasonably dry, except for this woman right here. She's getting drenched. That's my Aunt Dottie. To the ground.
I'm only wet from my waist down.
Now there's the smart one right there. She got up to high ground. It's Bug. Buggity, 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 bug. What you doing, baby? What you doing, precious?
She says, I think y'all are crazy. You know, we stay out of the way.
Wow. How great it is out there. You can't even make out the fact there's a field, a crop out there. I wonder if he's in the band or if he's...
I saw him go in there.
Boy, we think Jim's riding it out in the poo-poo pallets. We think he's in the poo-poo pallets, riding it out. We know Denny went to the van. We know where Denny is. Oh, and that we don't. That's not Grey Goose vodka. That's just a container.
That's the spaghetti protector.
Say again.
The spaghetti protector.
Oh, that's got spaghetti in it. There you go. That's smart. That's what we had for dinner tonight. Spaghetti with ground beef. There you go. Well, we survived. There's Jim. He finally made it out of the poo-poo palace. Rain was coming down hard. Anyway, there's my Aunt Dot's van. I don't know if I showed you that or not. But there's Aunt Dot's van. And everybody recognized my trailer. My Jeep is on the other side of the van. And we put a couple of the 10 by 10 gazebos together. There's my mama's van. There's my 10 man. And then that tent back there belongs to Mom and Jim. Oh, look at this. Where'd they go?
Where did he go? Where did he go?
Where are these two crazy kids going? They walk way too fast for me. Oh, look at that.
We found water.
It's deep over here.
Funny thing is, it's warm right here.
Yeah, but you walk
Come
over here, yeah.
it's cold.
Well, I peed right there.
Huh?
It actually is cold over there. Hey, Daddy.
Hey, Daddy.
Oh.
Don't you start. Don't you start.
This is definitely going on YouTube.
This is muddy, dirty goose water.
When the water becomes mud.
I gotta clean off. Wait a minute, I gotta clean this off. There. Hey, hey, hey!
We got ducks coming to help us.
Huh?
We got ducks coming to help us clean the mud.
Here, Duck. Come here. Ducky, ducky. Hey, now.
This is what we wake up to every morning. Aren't they beautiful? They come and visit us every morning. The one right there with the curly feathers is a goose. Aren't they beautiful? They come right up to your feet. And they walk around.